In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Spotify gift card. Whether you're looking to extend your premium subscription or just starting out on Spotify, redeeming a gift card is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type in Spotify and hit enter. This will bring up the Spotify website as one of the top search results. Click on the link to navigate to the official Spotify website. Once you're on the Spotify homepage, you may be prompted to log in, especially if you haven't logged in recently or if you're using a new device. If that's the case, simply enter your login credentials, your email and password, and click Login. If you're already logged in, you should see your account icon in the upper right corner of the page. Next, click on your account icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, select Account. This will take you to your account overview page, where you can manage different aspects of your Spotify account. Now that you're on your account page, scroll down until you find the Payment section. This is where you can manage your subscription payments and, importantly for us today, redeem your gift card. In the Payment section, look for the option that says Redeem. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new page where you can enter your gift card details. Here you'll see a field where you can input your gift card code. Carefully enter the code exactly as it appears on your card. One important thing to note is to enter the code without any spaces. This ensures that the system recognizes it correctly and avoids any potential errors. After you've entered the code, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA check. This is a simple security measure to confirm that you're a real person and not a bot. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the CAPTCHA. Once you've successfully completed the CAPTCHA, go ahead and click Redeem. If everything is entered correctly, your gift card balance will be applied to your Spotify account, and you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Spotify gift card. You can now enjoy all the premium features Spotify has to offer, like ad-free listening, offline downloads, and high-quality audio streaming. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, Spotify's support team is there to help. Thank you for watching and enjoy your music.